Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making fried bread. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To get started, in a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, baking powder, and sugar, then whisk everything together. Once everything is well combined, add 1 beaten egg, next add cooking oil and water. Mix well with a wooden spoon until the flour mixture is well moistened. Now turn out the dough onto a floured surface and knead with your hands until the dough is soft and pliable. This should take about 5 minutes. Next, portion the dough, then shape it into round balls and place it on a floured surface. Cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel and bench rest for 10 minutes. Next, working with floured rolling pin and 1 piece of dough at a time, pat the dough and roll it out on a floured surface into a 6-inch circle. Repeat the same process until all the dough is used up. Meanwhile, in a large skillet, heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then fry dough in the hot oil until slightly brown. Flip the dough and brown the other side. Remove the dough from the oil and place on a cooling rack to remove excess oil. But one thing I can tell you guys, with this recipe, the bread does not soak up the oil at all. Or you can place the bread on a plate lined with paper towels. This bread cooks like naan, guys. It swells up while cooking, and when you remove it to cool down, it just deflates. This marvelous sweet bread, guys, is soft and tender. You can eat this alone, or you can add topping sauces, honey, or jam. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are new here, welcome to Mama Wi's Kitchen. Don't forget to leave a comment and like the video. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my